Hi, boys and girls. Please write your name at the top of your paper. We are going to be doing some work with parts to make numbers. So we're going to start with 10. So we have 7 on one side, and we're going to draw dots to make 10 on the other side. So 8, 9, and 10. So how many dots did we draw? 3. And you'll notice we're going to call these 10 friends all year long. These are really important numbers to remember to help us with our math facts. So if we have 6 on one side, so trace over the 6. Let's keep counting till we get to 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many dots did you draw? 4. So we have 6 and 4 are 10 friends. Let's do 5. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 5 and 5 are 10 friends. Now we're going to do 4. So 4, let's trace over the 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many did we draw? 6. Very good. Now let's do the next one. We have 3, and we're going to keep going until we get to 10. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many dots did we draw? We did 7. So 3 and 7 are 10 friends. Now on this one, we have 2. So trace over the 2, and let's keep drawing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many dots did we draw? We did 8. Very good. Now let's turn our paper over, and on this side we're going to be filling in the missing numbers. So 34, 35, 36, 37. Next we started 23, 24, 25, 26. And on the next row we have 70. So next is 71, 72, 73, 74, 55, 56, 57, 58, 62, 63, 64, 65. 37, 38, 39, 40. The next row starts at 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. And on the last row, 28, 29, 30, and 31. Very good. If you were able to do all of that work, give yourself a smiley face. That's a lot of work, and you did a good job. And now do what your teacher wants you to do next.